Hello guys, and welcome to So Different Food. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make turkey noodle soup. This is my leftover turkey from Christmas, so I'm going to use this to make it. So yep, I got elbow macaroni here. I already got my carrots. This is about 2 to 3 sticks of medium sticks of carrots. I got 1 stick of celery. You can put more. And I didn't measure this water, but I would say this is about 2 to 3 cups, 2.5 to 3 cups of water. So I got my turkey here. I'm keeping most of the skin on here. I'm going to transfer this. I'm taking the seeds off. So I'm going to put 3 small chicken cubes in there. It'll dissolve, the hot water will dissolve it. And for a little bit of this is basil. This is I don't know if you can. This is basil. Put a little bit of this in there. Just have to be careful. Yep, a little bit. Make it your own by adding your own turkey sauce to it. This is what you can use your leftover turkey to make. Instead of chicken noodle soup, make some turkey noodle soup. This is what I'm making for dinner. I'm just using all the turkey sauce. Give it some flavor. I'm gonna use some original some original season, all-purpose season. Just a little bit of that. I'm gonna use some parsley. This is parsley flakes. You can use fresh or you can use the dry one. This is not much. I want to have it have a little mustard taste to it, so I'm going to use mustard seed powder, ground mustard seed. And here, some ginger powder. I always like turmeric in my food, so this is turmeric powder, just a little bit of that. And I'm going to do that macroot season herb. I grow it. I got my own. I'm growing one in my living room, so whenever the leaves fall and dry out, I just crush them. I crush them with my hand. I got a little manual crusher. I can crush them, crush the herb. This is actually extremely strong with macroot, so I don't use a lot of it. And I think that's it. That's pretty much it. That's everything I'm gonna be using. Just season. So I just put my cut cucumber in, took all the seed out. So it's just one whole cucumber. Right after I get done with my season, I put the cucumber in. A vegetable, my broccoli already cut and washed. Just a few processed, broccoli. There's just a few broccoli in here. And I got some zucchini that I cut, and I use half a large pepper. This is a large yellow pepper here. This is good. This is it. I have a small pot. I think I need to invest in a bigger pot because I love vegetables. Anything that have to do with vegetable food. So I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna let it cook, and then I'll put a little bit of spinach because I really want to add some spinach to this soup. I'm gonna cover it and let it cook. So I'm gonna let this cook for about 10 minutes. Yeah. So I'm going to uncover these. So I forgot to put some salt in here earlier, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Red salt, so it's black salt, red salt, and iodized salt. Make sure you get the salt with iodized, because this white salt that doesn't have iodized, I bought white salt before that didn't have iodized. So those egg noodles, you always want to put them the last 15 minutes because they don't take long to cook. They don't take long to cook. Egg noodles, they are very small noodles. I'm going to put a little bit because my pot is so full. This is what it looks like. This is noodles, yes, noodle soup. Noodles for soup. So I don't want to, and you gotta spread it all to make crumbs. So when you put it in, make sure you mix it well. This is very hot. I'll start clumping. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in. Just a little bit. If you really like them, you can put a lot more, but just you don't want to put more than your your macaroni, your pasta, whatever pasta you're using. This is it. Go ahead and take this off. I need to put my spinach. This is at most a cup. I don't put much spinach in here. So this is it. Spinach just need a little bit of moisture. It doesn't even need to be inside of this. It doesn't need to be mixed in, because I'm gonna cover it and it'll start cooking just like the broccoli. I'm gonna mix it because I want it to have the flavor. Just really mix everything. It looks so delicious. It smells so good. I'm gonna cover this. Cover it back and let it cook. Yeah, also this salt have pink salt, Himalayan salt in there. It have the black salt, the red salt, the red Himalayan salt, iodized salt. So it's a mixture of like 4 different types of salt in here. So yep. So this is it. It's done. Yeah, I did not leave the spinach in there long. Spinach was in there, but most 5 minutes, less than that. So yeah, this is it. I'll have to try some. So this is it. Man, this is so delicious. So I'm gonna get some and pour it in my bowl here. So I got the bone in here too. I got 2 good sized bone, turkey bone in here to help give it some more flavor and nutrients. Bone is pretty healthy though. There's a lot of benefit. Yeah. So this is it. You can even tell the noodles. Look at the noodles here. Let me do a close up on the noodles. Hold on. Yep, the noodles. Look at it cook and it. This noodle wasn't in there for long. This is my bowl. So I know I love like noodle soup. I love chicken noodle soup, turkey noodle soup, but this is not chicken. This is turkey. Definitely make this. And Happy New Year. And I wish you guys a blessed year. A year filled of blessing, filled of growth. A year of healthy development. But please like, share, comment, subscribe. If you haven't, I'm gonna let this cool off and then I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you.